Okay, we're going to surface the table of the aluminum mill using Mach 3 control software, actually an 8mm 3-flute cutter, and we're doing a big rectangular pocket basically at the table limits, cutting relatively easy, 3/1000 deep, probably around 40 inches a minute, 8,000 RPM cutter speed. Should be ready to go. Sounds like the Z is a little low. So it looks like the first pass may or may not be more than 3,000. Take about 20 minutes to do this, so we probably won't show the whole thing. Trying to find a nice speed where it doesn't ring. It'll do 3 passes at 3/1000 each. There's no finishing pass. We'll probably use a larger cutter. I got a 1-inch cutter that I want to fly cut probably when I'm all done. I want to see how everything goes with the smaller cutter first. When we're all done, we're going to pull the table off and cut a drainage trough around the outside edge that'll be outside of the cut area, and then bring the outside edge down to below what the work surface is. But pretty much the machine's trammed up as good as we're going to get it right now. It's not perfectly square yet, it is pretty flat within about 3/1000, but or 2/1000 on a 6-inch sweep. But I can't get any closer because the table's kind of bumpy, so this will be a multi-stage process in order to get the machine cutting. The first cuts look pretty good, there's not much hook. So the tram that I did the other day on it looks like it's pretty good. I haven't been spending too much time on the router because I've been working on the lathe. I got to redo the cross slide on it for a couple projects because it's not working very good, the compound slide. And then I'm going to CNC it. I got all the parts and I'm working on the plates. They will be, we're working on one of the plates right now on the Industrial Hobbies mill, and it's sitting right there, and I'm trying different cutters. Doing steel is a lot messier because you got to use cutting fluid. So we'll let this go for a minute or two. We'll probably stop it. took the drill press out of the shop. Just because we want something, we don't have as much any room in here for any extra stuff. And we'll chase the cutter around for a second. I got holes drilled in the table to mount 2 different vices on it. I will probably make most of the table eventually with a tool plate bolt down pattern. Right now I'm not using it to bolt a lot of stuff down directly onto the table. I got jigs that I've hit on there. Let that run. Probably, I don't think anybody wants to watch a